Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So I recently put a video out there on the larynx and vocal style, and I thought that today it would be really good just to demonstrate those different laryngeal positions for you on a song. I want you to really just get this and really understand on how the larynx influences the overall tonal quality and character of our voices. So let's do this. So as I mentioned in the previous video, if you opt for more of that lower larynx positioning when singing, then you're going to get more darker, deeper and richer tonal qualities. If you opt for a more neutral larynx positioning, then you're going to get more warmer, rounder and well-balanced tonal qualities. And then if you opt for more of a higher larynx positioning, then you're going to get more brighter, thinner and intense tonal qualities. So let me demonstrate these for you, and you're going to join in, and we're going to start out by just saying, hey, how you doing? Which I'm pretty sure I got from Joey from Friends. How you doing? You know? So let's give this a go. Place your 2 fingers on your larynx, and then you're just going to copy me. We're going to start out with a lower larynx. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? And then we're going to go for a higher larynx. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? And then for a more neutral larynx positioning, hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Okay, so now let me just demonstrate this on a song. I'm just going to choose a little bit of a section of a song and just demonstrate so you can even get a better idea, and then then go away afterwards and just practice and experiment with it. And you won't stop now. And you won't stop now. And you won't stop now. Okay, so that is it from me. As I mentioned in the previous video, it is all about experimenting. You got to experiment and find what works best for you. But I will see you again soon.